Profile settings. Wordbee allows you to personalize more than just the layout of your working space. You can customize your profile picture, background, color schemes, and more. Let's begin by changing our profile picture. Simply click on the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner to open the profile menu. Here you can see your account name and associated email address, as well as the link to the design preferences and logout options. To customize your profile picture and other options, simply click on Design Preferences. To change your profile picture, simply drag and drop a new picture or select one from your computer's hard drive. To save your changes, just click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the design window. Refresh the page and your profile picture will appear. You can also change the editor's background from the Design Preference window. You can choose any one of the preloaded designs by simply clicking on them. The backgrounds will immediately change so you can see how the editor will look without having to leave the preference menu. You also have the option to upload your own background using the same process as the profile picture. In addition to selecting your background and profile picture, you can also customize your accent color. Choose any of the available colors by clicking on them and the changes will appear immediately. To finalize your choices, simply close the Design Preference menu by clicking on the X.